A school is not just a place of learning, it is a space where young minds are nurtured and character is built and a lifelong of memories are made. As said by Joseph Addison, a sculpture is to a block of marble, education is to a human soul. Hello everyone, my name is Radhika Kori. I am the eldest sibling of Raghav Kori, currently in grade 1 in Podar International School. And today I'll be telling you a bit about this school, and so let's get into it. So what I love most about the school is its policies, the way they teach the students, the way they have adopted these new policies, and such interactive program they have in which the students are learning, and they are so basically they do a lot of visual learning rather than verbal learning. Verbal learning is there where yes, it is important, but visual learning according to me is much more important, because when you are seeing something, and there has been many psychological studies which state that when you are learning visually and verbally, things get better into your mind and you have a better grasp at the concept rather than just learning it verbally. So yes, that's that, and that's there. I love how they introduce such advanced concepts to them, such as, so for us 6-year-old kid, volcanoes are a bit advanced concept, because there are some reactions which occurs inside it, and why it is dormant, why it is active. So there are many things, but still they made them understand it in a well mannered way. And I loved the way my brother comes to me and he just explains it to me, and at sometimes I think he's explaining some of the concepts to me in much better way in which I have understood it. So yes, the education policy, I love it over there. Then it has benefited my brother in a lot of different ways. First of all, he had a bit of speech impediment. He used to lips a lot, so because help of the phonetics, the teachers are teaching there the phonetics, so his pronunciation for different things has changed a lot. He used to stammer, and that has improved. So yes, his verbal speech has improved a lot in Podar International, and all of it goes to the teachers who have been working hard on him. And there's no neglection of the students there. Each and every student is as important as we, as a parent, as a sibling. We give them the priority. Each and every student, each and every child over there is given the same priority. Then the something I would like to highlight is the joyful atmosphere, the joyful environment the teacher and the non-teaching staff has created over there. Every day there is some or the other activity which takes place, and it benefits these young minds in a much better way. Believe me, I'm currently in grade 12 and I'll be graduating soon. So I would have killed to go to such a school and to be in such a joyful environment. I bet there hasn't been one single day where Raghav came to me and said, I don't want to go to school tomorrow. He loves going to school. He loves playing with his friend. He loves the way teacher teaches them each and everything. And every other day I have something or the new, some or the other new story, or some or the other new concept which he is basically he's teaching me. Then yes, so in all, I would highly recommend each of the parents, of the young parents, to at least once consider Podar International School for their young minds, for their brilliant children, because their school is for the advanced. It's for the advanced generation. So it's an advanced school for the advanced generation, and that is highly needed in a world of today where technology is going to different heights, where AI is taking over for different mediums. So yes, you need to enroll your students here so that they have a better grasp of different concepts. So thank you. And once again, I would say it is lovely there. I love the school, and I just love everything about it. So there isn't anything which I would specifically like to point out. Yeah, well, thank you.